Fighting para mag-shoot. Pistol by number 9. Pass to number 00. Number dribble. Pass to number 01. Pistol by number 14. 4 minutes and 14. By whistle. Foul number 3. Blocking foul. Tumira. Number 77. Pass to number 69. By whistle. Umbrella defense. Huwag mong ibaba yung kamay. Itaas mo. Number 9. Two shot. Ikaduha. Pasok din. Remaining time. 4 minutes and 29. Pass to number 3. Fighting para Tumira. By whistle. Bawal yan. Sundot. 77. To shoot. Five to shoot. Ball out number 9. I got Ray. Ray got number 18. Ayun. By whistle. Ball number 10. Unang atira. Pasok yan. Number 18. Pasok yan. 5-3. Ang pulo na naman ng Labaw. 3 minutes and 55. Baite para Tumira. All up number 77. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pass na number 00. 3 minutes and 45. Number 3. Pass na number 9. Ayun. May steal. Number 69. Number 69 on the dribble. Nakaharap ng mapapasan. Pass na number 14. Abot. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number... Ayun. Kitang-kita. Foul. Ito shot. Pull up. Ayun. May whistle. Foul number... Sinong may sala? Red. 3 minutes and 70. Still by number 13. Pass to number 00. Pull up. By whistle and referee. Pabiling. Secret shot. Tumira. By whistle. Foul number Tira number 14. Alright. Pasok yan. Score 5-3-14. Maliw-waliw. Pass to number 12. 15 na shoot. Over sa 50. Tito shoot. May whistle. Basket pa. Sinong may sala? Number 77. Pasok yan. Score 7-45. Bate para Tumira.
Makahito.
Over ng 3. Bang. Pasok yan. Number 14. Number 12. Magkadalang bola. Still by number 77. Number 14. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 22. Top outside by number 01. Position. Unang atira, pasok yan. Nagbisi, kaduhang atira. Pasok yan. Pasok yan. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 20. Pass to number 01. Ayun lang. Pass to number 24. Rebound by number 69. By Wilson. Kitang-kita yung kamay. 2 shot. Unang atira. Alright. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 3. Third quarter. Next game. Tacloban against Alon. Prepare ka mo yan na. Aduha. Waray. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 6. Nagdi-dribble. Number 6, ayun, Inistel, by Hazel. Nasabod ang tadlo. Number 14, 1 minute and 3. 1 seconds para Kirat Tula. 1 minute and 1. 3 minute high. By Hazel, hands two. Omitted by number 13. Nanawin jersey. Bawal yan. Kuya. Hands full. Hook retros. Plus ball position. Away from the ball. Huwag mong hawakan yung jersey. 3 minute time. 53 segundos. Unang alibre na tira. Alright. Score. Pasok yan. Position. Inbounding in squad. Number 9. Pull up. No good. Over by number 69. Number dribble. Number 69. Pass. Yay. Ang gawas. Over. Renta. Bote para tumira. Still by number 69. Number 69 ang dribble. Ayun. Outside pa din. 15. Yes. Bola number 77. 5. My whistle and referee. Outside position.